Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Jira step by step and why it is still one of the best project management tools in 2025. If you're managing a team working on software development or just want to keep your project organized, Jira is super powerful and it can be overwhelming at first. So stick with me, I will break it down in plain English so you can start using Jira with confidence today. So first of all, you just need to understand what is Jira. So here you can see the Jira platform. We are already landed in here. So Jira is a project management and issue tracking tool made by Alt Asian. It is used by everyone for small to huge companies, especially for agile projects like software development, design, or any team that needs to track tasks and progress. Think of it as a smart to-do list on steroids. So you can create tasks, assign them to team members, track progress, run sprints, and keep everyone on the same pages. Now let's talk about how you can start create project. So let's get started. You just need to go to the jira.altasian.com and you just need to be signed up for a free account. Jira's free plan is more than enough for small teams to get started. Once you are logged in you just need to click on create project. Jira will ask what kind of a project you want. If you are a beginner, start with Scrum or Kanban. Scrum is a great for teams working in sprints work, short work cycles like 2 weeks, and on the other hand, Kanban is great for continuous tasks like management, marketing, or design work. Pick one, give your project a name, and you are completely in. So here you can see, if you click over here to the project, and from that place you can choose one. You can choose the prioritize or work request. Just click over here and you can use the template for your uses. There's a couple of options you will have. You can choose any of them. Here you can see Kanban, then Jira. So I will go with the Kanban right now. Just click this one and use this template. And here you can see team management project. Just click this one and create a name that will be the script for while, and just click to the next. And here you can see the template with the Kanban as FW, and it will take a couple of minutes to create. So we just need to keep patience on that place. Now let's talk about the understand the Jira board. So once you create your project, you will land on the board. This is where all actions will be happen. The board shows tasks in different columns. For example, one is, so I will leave that place. I will skip this one. Just click on the skip and just click to the continue. And here actually you can see the board. So here just click to the get started, and as you can see the board shows tasks in different class. For example, to-do list, then in progress, and last one is done. Each task is called an issue in Jira, and you can drag tasks from one column to another as work as gets done. This make it super easy to see what's being worked on, what's finished. Now let's talk about next step, that is that create an to-do list for you. You just need to click on create or create issue. Give your task a clear name. For example, design landing page banner. Just click over here and give a name, design landing page banner, and just hit enter, and it already been added. And as you can see it, you can give, like, you can also add a description what needs to be done, that assign who is responsible for this task, then due date, when it should be finished, and then the priority, is it low, medium, or high. You just need to click create and your task will appear on the board under to do. Then you just need to use the backbone. It's called Scrum. If you choose Scrum, you will see a backlog view. So here you can see this is the view. The backlog is your list of shows that have not been added to a sprint yet. Here's how it works. Add all your tasks to the backlog. When you are ready to start a sprint, drag task from the backlog to the sprint. You just need to click the sprint, and this logs in the what you will work on the for that sprint cycle, so your team stays focused on those tasks only. Now you can track the progress. Once you are working, Jira makes it easy to see who is doing what. Team members can track tasks from to do, in progress, and then to the done, like this way. You just need to drag and drop here and you can see it already been done. So in this week you can do whatever you want. You can also click on the tags to see comments, attachment or updates. If you are the project manager, you can check reports for progress charts like burn down charts to see if you are on track. There is a couple of options you can see. We have archive work time, so you can see the toolbar. Now let's talk about the automation and integration. One of the reasons Jira is so popular is automation and integration. With Jira you can set up simple automation like when a task moves to done, notify the team, then integrate with other tools like Slack, GitHub, Trello or Google Drive. This helps your team stay connected and cuts down on repetitive admin work. Now let's talk about quick tips for using Jira better. So here you can see, before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to make Jira work better for you. Keep tasks clear and specific so everyone knows exactly what to do. Use labels and filters to find tasks faster and update status regularly so you broad stays accurate. Don't overcomplicate it. Start simple, then add features as you grow. So here you can see whole procedure. They have like we have other project. If I go over here and just click to the summary, and here you can see this is the another view. You can see all are really amazing. So what kind of things you are applicable, you can go with that place. Here you can create your project. You can see the dashboard, also view all dashboard. Here you will see the dashboard. So the whole overview is really amazing, but for a newbie it sometimes become an overwhelming. But the Jira application is really amazing to organize your work and track your whole work. You can integrate any apps in here, like you can explore apps for Jira. You can see this kind of apps you are allowed to use in Jira platform. Then come back to that place and to the project. Here you can see we have recent project, demo service project. You can create roadmap. Also you can integrate with the Confluence is also an Asians project, so it's really amazing to have this kind of a feature in here. Then you can see they have that options called goals. If you click over here, you can assist this one with this place. Then if I click on create roadmap, you can create your roadmap over that place. And here let's go to the plans and see what actually it boosts agility with capacity planning, dependency mapping and more. So now here you just need to come over here. Now actually you know how you can use Jira for your uses for your work also. So that's it for today. Now you exactly know how you can use Jira step by step and why it is still on the best project management tools in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.